5-minute guided morning meditation for positive energy. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. You are exactly where you need to be. I want you to imagine a beautiful, radiant yellow light beaming on your forehead and face. Feel the warmth right now. This wonderful yellow light is going to fill your entire being with positive energy. Starting at the top of your forehead, imagine it warming your skull in and around. You can feel the heat as it makes its way down your face, your cheeks, your lips, your ears, your neck. You breathe in deeply and you release any negativity and make room for this positive, vibrant yellow light. It makes its way down your throat. You feel the warmth. You feel the love. You feel the safety and security. It's on your shoulders, down through your armpits and forearms. Feel the heat on your fingertips. You feel a release. You notice your vibration increasing. You are becoming more energized, more radiant. You are making room for a positive day. This yellow light is making its way down through your chest, all throughout your internal organs, your heart, your abdomen, your belly button, down through your hips, your glutes, your thighs, your hamstrings, down to your ankles. You feel a healing, warm sensation out through the tips of your toes. You are cleansed. You are alive. You are light. Repeat after me. I am positive energy. I am love and light. I choose joy. I choose happiness. I bless all those around me. I am a vehicle for good in this world. I am peace. Now, go out into the world and be that high, positive, vibrational energy that you are sent here to be.